Today we are going to make some paper plate farm animals, and this is what they look like. Here are the things you are going to need for making your farmyard animals. Some paper plates, some crepe paper streamers in black, white and pink, some coloured card or paper in black, white and pink, some cotton wool balls, some glue and a brush, and I've used PVA glue, a marker, some scissors and a disposable cup for drawing circles. So first of all, let's make the sheep. Start with one of your paper plates and brush it all over with the glue. Then cover the plate completely with your cotton wool balls, making sure to cover the plate nice and evenly. And now we're going to cut out a circle for the face and some shapes for the ears and the legs. Now using the black paper and the disposable cup, tip the cup upside down to draw a circle around for your face. I'm using a white marker so that you can see what I'm doing. Draw two legs like this. And two ears like this. This is what they will look like. Now cut all of those out. Next we are going to draw the eyes. Taking your white paper, draw two small circles like this and add some pupils. Then cut those out. Now we're going to put it all together. Start by gluing the back of your face and place that into the centre. Glue your ears on. Then your eyes. And lastly, put a bit of glue at the top of your legs and glue onto the back of the plate for your legs. And there you have a cute woolly sheep. And now let's make the cow. I've pre-prepared this and this is what you will need. A black circle for the face, just like we had for the sheep, some eyes and some black legs. But for the cow you will also need an oval in the pink for the nose, some black nostrils and some pink ears. But first let's prepare the body. Start by gluing your paper plate all over like you did for the sheep. The next thing to do is to take your crepe paper and cut it into squares like this. And glue that all over your plate. Once you have glued all the white crepe paper squares on, you want to glue on about half a dozen black squares. Now we need to glue the other components on. Start with your black face and add your pink ears, nose, and add your nostrils, the eyes, and like you did with the sheep, glue your legs onto the back. And there we have the cow. And in case you want to keep the kids really busy, you can make a pig as well. All the information is below.